Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a half and half video for the Beauty Blender and the Daiso sponge. So right now I have already primed my skin. I've put my moisturizer, sunblock, and skin primer. So let's start. Okay, so this is the Daiso blender up close. And as you can see, the pores are really visible and it's big. Meanwhile, this is the Beauty Blender and the pores are quite fine compared to the Daiso blender. Yeah. So these both sponges are still dry. So as you can see, the Beauty Blender is bigger. So now is the time that we soak them in the water, and please squeeze as much water as you can. You don't want to be using a very wet sponge. And if there's plenty of water in the sponge, it's so difficult to blend in your foundation. After squeezing all the water out, this is now how the Daiso blender look. So as you can see, it didn't grow in size. And there are watermarks around the surface of the sponge, which means absorption wasn't really good. There. And now is the Beauty Blender. It's bigger, no watermarks, no visible watermarks. And now we are ready for foundation. So guys, this is my first time to use the Daiso sponge, so I don't know what to expect. I don't know if it's gonna be, it will give me the same effect as the Beauty Blender. Kung parehas lang ba or kung hihigitan niya pa yung Beauty Blender. Kasi it's my first time to use it and I have no idea. I didn't watch any videos about it. Right now, I'm gonna be using a secret foundation muna kasi i-reveal ko siya kung ano yung foundation ko sa next video ko. Kasi I found out that this mixture of two foundations is really great for my skin. It's really good for sensitive and dry skin. Ito na talaga yung ginagamit ko. I'll reveal the secret foundation on my next video. So ngayon, ilalagay ko na muna yung foundation ko. So sa half, dito, on my right side. So this is how I put foundation pala. And then on my left side will be the Daiso sponge. I've already dampened both sponges. As you can see, mas big talaga yung Beauty Blender. Hindi tumubo yung Daiso. Hindi siya lumaki. Tumubo. So let's start. Ayan, as you can see, flawless na yung right side of my face with the Beauty Blender. Now, let's use the Daiso sponge. Medyo matigas siya, guys. Matigas siya face. And parang sinisip-sip niya yung product. Hindi siya ganun ka. Kinakain niya yung product. Tigas. Parang may, minamassage yung face ko. I both have blemishes on both sides of my skin. You saw it, right? Diba? Kanina. And then, now, parang mas natakpan yung scars ko more sa right side of my face than sa left side. Parang sheer lang yung coverage na binigay ni Daiso. Mas flawless si Beauty Blender as of now. Pero okay naman, na-blend naman din ni Daiso. Blend ko lang ito. The Beauty Blender is really bouncier and softer sa face. So, I still have some foundation remaining on the back of my hand. So, isi-spread ko lang siya kasi gusto ko ma-cover talaga yung blemishes ko. Ang bilis lang mag-foundation if you're using sponges. So let's blend again. So later, I'm gonna be going out with Ate Joy. She's my friend here and we're gonna go to a flower park. I'll ask her later if may nakikita siyang difference between my right side and my left side of my face. I can't wait to reveal the foundation, guys, kasi it's really good. Hindi siya drying, hindi nagkikiki yung skin ko. Basta, it's really nice. Dewy pa rin siya. But if you have, I don't know, if you have oily skin, baka hindi siya fit sa skin mo. But if you have dry, sensitive skin, it's really good for the skin. So, ayan na. I'm done with my foundation. So, I'm just gonna do the rest of my makeup and I'll be back. Hello guys, so this is the final look. I just did a simple makeup kasi lalabas lang naman ako. Pupunta kami ng flower park, mag-picture-picture lang. So, I didn't do a heavy makeup na i-zoom in ko lang kayo closely. Ako na mag-zoom kasi walang zoom yung iPhone lang kasi gamit ko as of now. Here is the Daiso side. So, medyo kita pa rin yung scars ko. I have heavy scarring on both sides of my face. So, here, sa Daiso, medyo kita pa rin yung scars ko. Pimple scars ko and some blemishes. So, ayan. And then, on the right side naman of my face, medyo natabunan yung scars ko. Medyo flawless siya. Medyo kita pa rin yung scars ko. But, as you can see, kung i-compare niyo yung dalawa, mas flawless talaga tingnan yung sa Beauty Blender na side. Okay, so hi, we're here at the flower park now. So I'm gonna ask Ate Joy the question.
Okay,
So,
I'm ready.
so which part of my face is nicer?
You're pretty.
Wow.
Always,
Thank you.
as always. I think your right side is shinier.
Guys, sorry for the confusion kasi nakaharap sa akin si Ate Joy. So, the right side of my face na tinutukoy niya, yun yung left part of my face, which is the Daiso blender. Okay.
The left side looks like matte.
Matte, okay. And the left side na tinutukoy niya is the right side of my face, which is the Beauty Blender. What else?
You look pretty.
So I just use the same foundation but different sponge.
Oh.
So for my final verdict, you guys, okay naman din yung Daiso kung nag-start pa lang kayo sa makeup. Because it's just siguro 88 pesos lang dyan sa Philippines. So okay naman siya. Pero if gusto mo talaga yung flawless tingnan, mas ng product, mas nakaka-transfer ng product sa face mo, yung foundation mo, mas nata-transfer talaga with the Beauty Blender. Kasi mas natatabunan talaga niya yung scars mo, yung blemishes mo. So, pricey lang talaga itong si Beauty Blender than the Daiso one. So, if you're still starting and hindi naman kayo ganun ka perfectionist, pwede naman tong Daiso. But then, if you want a flawless finish talaga, the Beauty Blender is really the best. Kung ako, okay, pero I don't know if I'm gonna use this again since may Beauty Blender naman ako. So, go na lang ako with the Beauty Blender. So, I hope you like this video. Thumbs up, like this video. Can make comments on the next videos you want to see from me, and then please subscribe. It will really help me a lot. So that's it. Thank you. Bye bye.